Are you about to relocate and feel overwhelmed by the thought of packing, loading, and unloading all your belongings? Well, you're not alone. Today, we're diving into the world of full-service moves, your comprehensive solution to a stress-free and smooth relocation. A full-service move means you don't have to lift a finger. From packing, transportation, and unloading to even unpacking at your new home, everything is taken care of by professional movers. Let's break down what's included in these services so you can decide if it's the right fit for you. Packing can be the most time-consuming part of any move, but with full-service movers, you can relax. Experts handle everything, ensuring that your items are securely packed and ready for transport. And once you arrive at your new home, they'll unpack everything for you too. Moving is already stressful enough, so having trained professionals handle your packing and unpacking reduces the chances of damage and makes the process seamless. From your bed to your favorite couch, full-service movers will disassemble bulky furniture and carefully reassemble it at your new place. This ensures your furniture fits perfectly in your new space while avoiding any scratches or damage. Moving heavy furniture is no small task. Let the professionals handle the loading and unloading for you. Their experience means your items will be transported securely and with care. You won't have to worry about the heavy lifting, giving you more time to focus on settling into your new home. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more moving tips and guides.